lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your family and friends, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our updates. In today's video, we're going to be diving into one of the most popular remote job out there, virtual assistant job. We'll be sharing in this video the potentials, that's how much you can earn as a VA, and also I'll be showing us the places, websites where you can land your first VA gig. So lovelies, grab your cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's get started. Are you looking to work from the comfort of your home? Dreaming of a job that lets you set your own hours, have your flexibilities, avoid commuting, and still be part of a dynamic, growing team? Well, you are in luck. Virtual assistant jobs are booming right now, with companies around the world hiring skilled professionals to manage their company tasks remotely. As a virtual assistant, you can be involved in anything from scheduling meetings, answering emails, to social media management, customer service, bookkeeping, and even project management. So lovelies, this is Billy webpage job hiring post, and I will be leaving the link to this job in the comment section, so you want to click on it to bring you to this site to apply for this job. And just a disclaimer, if you come back to this job and you currently not seeing it at the time of your visit, just know that a faster finger might have taken this job, because when the job is no longer available, as you can see, they will take it down. So right now, like I said, I will leave the link on my comment section for you to, to not stress about finding Billy. This is Billy virtual assistant job post. As you can see, lovelies, they are paying $18 to $21 per hour. And it's as easy as just clicking on start application, and you will be on your way to securing this job. You want to sift through the job description just to familiarize yourself with the job requirements, and then look at it. You can play on this video to learn a little more about Billy, how they conduct their business. Billy is Atlanta-based business, but right now, like I said, and I'm showing you guys, they are hiring for a remote position, where you serve as your client's indispensable partner, So they're just giving you a little more about, this job posting and how they conduct their business. But this is it. They're also confirming it's 100% remote. Some jobs could be hybrid. Some you work some days remote and some days in the office, but in this case it's 100% remote. And these are the essential functions and responsibility. If I want to apply for this job, the first thing I want to do is look at the job overview. That's what they're expecting from a candidate, and also look at the responsibilities, the essential functions, and I also want to go look at the qualifications. That's what tells me if this job is for me or not. That way I don't spend so much time than necessary on a particular job. So these are the essential functions and responsibilities. You're going to be maintaining executive appointments and calendars, email management and organization, social media management, prepare presentation and all of that, make travel arrangements, such as booking flight cars, making hotels and restaurant reservation. These are key attributes. They want you to be detail-oriented, organized, and efficient, be trustworthy, friendly, and professional, all of that is, normal expectation from, an assistant, even though you're doing it remotely. And here it talked about the key qualification. They said 3 years of administrative experience is preferred. 1 year of administrative experience is required. So in other words, if you have 1 year of administrative experience, you are welcome to apply. If you have 3 years, is a plus. Okay, that's it. Available daily, Monday to Friday, during business hours, and you should be able to dedicate at least 20 hours per week, which is fair enough. Some people are working 40 hours a week, but this is 20 hours, which is like, say, 4 hours per day. Okay, so, and that is it, guys. Look through this. Note, they said this is a 1099 contractor role. In other words, you are working, as an independent contractor. You are your own boss. This 1099 shows you that as a resident of United States, you're going to be getting a tax form to fill out your form, telling the government this is how much I get paid by this company. This company will send you this form by end of the year for you to file your tax. And they said here they are accepting applications for residents of all states except California, Montana, New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania. So if you are living in any of these mentioned states, California, Montana, New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania, this might not be the right time for you to apply to be a VA for this job. They are not accepting application from residents from the above mentioned states. And then they say you must be available regular hours and all of that. And they give you the pay range from $18 to $21. If I were you, I would be negotiating for $21, especially if I've had 1 year of administrative assistance experience. Okay, and that's it. To start your application, guys, you scroll down, you see where it says start your application. You want to put in your first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, the name on your tax return document, the way it's shown, because that's what they're going to use in sending your 1099. And here you want to answer yes or no. You must live in United States. Do you currently live in United States? You want to click on yes. Do you currently live in this 6 states? They're not accepting application. I would expect you to say no, because like we have read, they're not accepting application. And then you want to agree to their to be able to receive text messages regarding your application. That's it, and you continue. Guys, if I were you, I would be hopping on this right now to give it a shot. One of the biggest benefits of being a VA is the flexibilities. You can create a schedule that works for you and still have time for the things that matter most to you. That is it for today's video, lovelies. How to land your first gig as virtual assistant. Don't wait. Companies are hiring right now, and your next opportunity could be just around the corner. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your family and friends, and let me know in the comment section if you're considering to give this a try. Until next time, stay safe and stay financially empowered.